Hi, my name is Michael Madrano, and I am your instructor for English 135 Advanced Composition at DeVry University. This is a fully online class. This is actually my first online teaching experience, but I have taught English composition at the community college level as well as at the university level uh, for over 10 years. So you are in trusted hands. Just to tell you a little bit about myself, I was born and raised in Fresno, California. I went to Duncan Polytechnical High School and Fresno State University, and then I traveled back east, actually to the upper Midwest, the University of Minnesota, and where I received a creative writing degree and a master's. It was MFA, a Master's of Fine Arts degree in creative writing, and since then I've been teaching composition in the San Diego area. I taught there for a couple of years, and now I'm now here in Fresno. So I'm back home, and I look forward to working with you through the semester. On a little bit more of a personal note, personal side of me, I love music. My favorite groups are the Beatles, Bob Marley, Santana. So I like a lot of the old stuff, which I find to be classic music that stands the test of time. So if you ever want to chat with me about music, outside the class, uh, yeah, I would love to do that. But let's get back to the class. If you want to contact me throughout the semester, you can contact me at mmedrano@devry.edu. That's mmedrano@devry.edu. And I just want to also make a note that this video will be posted, and you should be watching it now in an announcement folder in Canvas, in your Canvas website. I will also post everything that I've mentioned here outside of the personal information that I shared. I will repost into Canvas via the announcements, and so we can start talking about the first week of activities. I just wanted to break that information down quite rather quickly. As far as just the general aspects of the course, this is an 8-week course, so we start this week and we go through all of September and into October, and we culminate with a final 8 to 10 page paper. So that's a standard. That's the standard length for a advanced composition course. So that's what you would expect at a 4U university or at a in a transfer level course at the community college level. So 8 to 10 page is the standard. Our textbook is also included online in the Canvas. Via one of the modules at the beginning. So what I would do is I would just go through Canvas, click on the modules, click on the syllabus, and you get an idea of the activities for the course. Now every activity is builds up on each other. So we start with I believe this week we're choosing our topics, our research topics, and then as each week progresses, we will learn about research citations, learn about the APA format versus the MLA. We'll become familiar with that, get familiar with that. And also, as far as reaching out to me personally, I will be available live via the WebEx program that is listed in your menu bar for the course. And I'm looking, and I'm solidifying really the days of the week, Wednesday and Fridays from 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, because I am in California. So Pacific Standard Time. So if you can make it during those times for the WebEx, that would be wonderful, and I'll be able to ask any question or answer any questions you may have regarding the course, regarding the assignments, and what have you. Also, at the same time, if you cannot make it, then that video will be available to watch in case you have any questions regarding what we covered. And so, and then you'll be able to obviously email me at nmedrano@devry.edu in case you have any other further questions. Let's see. So this week this week is more or less like an introduction week. You do have some reading assignments. Do check the syllabus because your reading assignments will be there. And as well as the modules, because in the modules, it breaks down the assignments week by week. And what's included in the modules is the discussion. There's a discussion thread, and that's in the discussion thread, for this week. You'll write an introductory statement of yourself. I will also do that. I will also, do that, and you'll be able to introduce yourself to your fellow classmates. You're giving, biographical information that you would find, that you might want to share with people, with fellow classmates. All of our classmates are from around the country, so, it should be a great time, a fun experience. So again, I will check in with you all, by Wednesday, and to see how everybody's doing within the course, and if you have any questions whatsoever. If you do not know anything about Canvas, navigate through, there's actually, if you go to YouTube, there are YouTube Canvas tutorials that are very helpful, that can get you just started in learning the gist of Canvas, because this is also within the modules, you'll also be posting your assignments, and that's how you'll receive your grade. And just one final note before I close out. Assignments are due at Sunday by 11:59 p.m. Okay, so Sunday by 11:59 p.m. So all of our assignments for the week, the reading, the any textbook assignments, the introduction, that will be due 11:59 p.m. on Sunday night. It's meant to give you all, that time frame is meant to give you all a leeway, because everybody's busy. We all have full-time jobs, part-time jobs. We're parents. We may be students at other schools. Whatever your schedule is. So that's why we have that component. Okay, so I also, finally, I forgot to mention, I will expect you to check, being that this is not a class where you take attendance per se. I will be expecting to see you commenting on threads, on discussion threads, giving full, complete, and thoughtful answers, replies to fellow classmates, and also participating in any other type of discussions, whether we have a WebEx discussion, and any other assignments that may be required regarding that. So please feel free to email me. Again, all of this information will be posted within the announcement page. Okay, I want to thank you all, and I look forward to working with every one of you for the next 2 months, 8 weeks. So let's have a great first week. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day or evening. Thank you. Have a good day.